What's up guys, I'm back with another video. Today real quick I want to share with you guys my experience with these two keyboards. I have here on the right hand side iLovBee 60% mechanical keyboard, comes with red hot swappable switches, and on the left hand side I have my old MK Mini, also mechanical keyboard 60%, comes with blue switches, but you cannot hot swap these switches. Now with new MK Mini MageGee keyboard you can hot swap the switches, but I have the old version here so I can't. Now I've been using the iLovBee keyboard right here for almost like 2 months right now, and I love the keyboard. The reason why I love the keyboard, this keyboard switches, the keycaps, everything feels better than my MK Mini. You guys can hear switches doesn't make weird noise like the MK Mini. It's a good keyboard for someone who is just planning on buying a budget hot swappable keyboard. It's a pretty good keyboard for like $30 or $35. But I have problem with the switches. So far there's 3 switches not working on this keyboard. Okay, the letter A, this key is not working, the Windows key is not working, and also the escape key is not working. Now I've been using MK Mini for more than a year, and this keyboard keys, the switches are not hot swappable, but all the switches working perfectly fine. None of the switches gave up yet. And keep in mind, I paid for this MK Mini around $26 or $25, and I paid for this iLovBee keyboard around $30, I think. Now I have to buy some switches. As you guys can see, this keyboard does come with red switches. Okay, now I have to replace these switches. So the reason why I'm making this video, I want you guys to recommend some switches, something from Amazon. Just Amazon is better for me because I can easily just order, and I have Amazon Prime, so I can receive like next day or day after. So please recommend me some switches, not too expensive. I want to stay under like $20, and I know there is switches there for like under $20. So please, you guys, leave in the comment section your thoughts and what switches I should go with. So that's that. Now which keyboard I would recommend right now for someone maybe who is just planning on buying right now. I don't know if that's only with my keyboard right here, iLovBee, and I'm dealing with the problem with the switches and stuff. I don't know. I don't know if any other person having the same issue. So I don't know if maybe my switches are like defective or something. But with this MK Mini, like if you're planning on buying a keyboard right now, I would recommend the MK Mini keyboard, because you really don't have to worry about the switches. And I've been using this keyboard for almost like a year or something, like almost 2 years. Is it 2 years? Like 1 year. Okay, 1 year. I've been like constantly using 1 year the MK Mini keyboard, because I have some other keyboards here too that I use. So yeah, I can tell you that I did use this keyboard like strictly 1 year. I was using this keyboard for everything, gaming, browsing, whatever I was doing, editing video and stuff. This keyboard never let me down. Okay, you guys can see the model. Okay, now I did change the keycaps. These keycaps I bought from Amazon. These are double shot, I think PVT keycaps, I'm not sure, and these are really good keycaps. Now the only problem with this keyboard I have, as you guys can hear the key sound, it doesn't sound all that good. It just sounds so cheap, right? Okay, I also did a tape mod with this keyboard. Now you guys can hear the I love keyboard sound. See, I'm just making this video, sharing with you guys my thoughts, which keyboard I'm currently using. I was currently using the iLove, but I'm going back to the MK Mini right now because MK Mini switches are perfectly fine. And maybe I'll start using the iLovBee keyboard after I change the switches. Now there is another reason I kind of like the MK Mini keyboard. As you guys can see, back of the iLove Mini keyboard, there is no like stands like the feet on this keyboard. Okay, you just have to basically like, that's it, that's all you got, right? So if you want to change the angle, you can really do that. But with MK Mini, you do get like you know, fit here, and you can adjust the fit. So you got the long fit right here, okay, so that you know you can change the angle, and then you get the short fit right here. I don't know, let me see. Oh yeah, you got the short fit also. Okay, all right, fit or stand, whatever you guys want to call it. All right guys, that should be it. Please don't forget to leave a comment in the comment section and recommend me some switches you like. I want to go with budget so I can recommend someone else. Like I don't want to put some like switches like for $50-$60. I want to put something for like maybe $20 or you know under $20 so everyone else can afford. Also, that should be it. See you guys next one. If you guys are watching me for the first time, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Peace.